Hello fellow lockpickers. We'll be lockpicking. I'll be picking this Amtech top security mushroom pin tumbler. That's why I bought it, because it said mushroom pin tumbler. It's got quite a wide keyway, quite a heavy lock. Here's the key. I think it's a 6-pin. I'm not sure. Amtech top security mushroom pin tumblers. So they say. Here's the packaging. Rhombic chrome plated padlock. Durable iron body, anti-saw, anti-cut, hardened steel shackle, anti-pick, precision pin tumbler and domino key mechanism. I don't know what that means. Let's have a look at the back. Hardened steel shackle, double locking levers, brass cylinder, solid iron case, precision pin tumbler, hardened steel wire spring, locks automatically. Chrome plated surface, nickel plated steel key, padlock maintained. Lubricant, anti-saw, anti-cut, Amtech. Looks the business, but let's see how we get on with it security wise. I mean, how secure it is if it's anti-pick. Right, let's get on with it. I'll be using my feeler gauge short homebrew fat hook. And I'll be using a fat homemade tension tensor, because it's quite a thick keyway, like a wide keyway. Right, let's get on with the picking then. Let me just put it into autofocus. Oops. Right, there we go. Here it goes, it's locked up. It's very sloppy. Well, not sloppy, but right to the back. Light tension. There we go. It's opened, as you can see, so it's not very secure at all. These are made for Water C2, homemade with feeler gauges. This one, I made these yesterday for him. Put a lot of effort into this. I hope he likes them. Anyway, thank you very much. Bye.